In this video, we are going to talk about how to go from $0 to $1 million in real estate. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Investing in real estate is an obvious method to accumulate money, but just a small percentage of people really take advantage of the chance. Despite being permitted tax-free capital gains on sales every 2 years, the typical homeowner only sells their property every 10 years, according to the National Association of Realtors. As a result, they settle for the standard single-home approach, believing that expanding their real estate holdings and experiencing that 5% growth is too complicated and time-consuming. Nothing beats buying your first home for a novice investor. Buying a fixer-upper, fixing it up, then selling, or renting it out after 2 years adds actual value to the house for less than your monthly mortgage payment. You'll need a loan for your purchase, so look for something that's underpriced and that you can sweat equity into. A new roof or siding might be added to the list of upgrades. A new HVAC system and energy-efficient modifications are also desired to make the house more livable for the future owner. Again, you're sprucing up your own home, but now you have a rental property to supplement your income. After 2 years or so, you sell your second property and start again, buying more rental units. You move into one, fix it up, and then borrow against the equity in the preceding rentals to buy more. From there, you use the equity in your homes to fund new purchases, which you fix up and add to your rental portfolio, increasing your revenue. Best of all, your real estate portfolio is now worth more, enhancing your overall wealth. Stay with this channel to get more future updates. Thanks for watching.